Hi, welcome to David Time. Can you read it? Osmo.
Hi there! Mo the monster here. Get ready. Keep your hands away from the playmat. I love what you've created. If you're happy with your creation, tap here.
Yes, I am.
2, 3.
Arrow.
Well done. We sound beautiful. Now to make a magic picture. How would you create an arrow?
I love that game so much. So this is gonna be really fun from that game. So let's open it. So open it. Oh, I can't wait to play with it. Wow, this is so much fun to play. This is very fun. So first we're gonna play this one. We're gonna take out the... Now we're gonna choose which one. Now we're gonna put this iPad here. Look, here's it. Can you read it? Okay. Osmo, Little Junior Star Kit. That is very cool. I've never played that game before. That'd be really fun at all. Because it's really fun. Very easy and peaceful. So.
Hi there. Mo the monster here. It's so great to see you. One of my favorite things is to take pictures. I collect photos of everything that I've seen in my travel book. I'd love your help to make my photos even more special. Are you ready? Ready to make my photos magical? Which photo do you want to do? Visiting a castle made me feel like royalty. King Mo the Magnificent. Tap on one of the magic letters.
This one.
Presenting the letter C. Can you make this letter? When you're done making the letter, tap here. Okay, now to pull it in. Get ready. Keep your hands away from the playmat.
Wait.
Magic time. Presenting your creation. What an amazing show. I'm so proud of you.
Meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow. This one is coming. This one. Okay. There it is. It's a cat now.
Okay, now to pull it in. Get ready. Keep your hands away from the playmat. I love what you've created. If you're happy with your creation, tap here.
Yes, I am.
My photo's even more magical now. Let's pick another letter. The letter A. Can you make this letter?
Let's make it.
When you're done making the letter, tap here. Okay, now to pull it in. Stand back and cross your fingers. Abracadabra!
Wow.
Here's what you made. Marvelous! You could not have done any better. If you're happy with your letter, tap here.
Yes, I am.
It sounds like 2, 3.
Arrow. Arrow.
Well done. We sound beautiful. Now to make a magic picture. How would you create an arrow? Can you clear the playmat and create an arrow?
Arrow.
When you're finished, tap here. Look, your creation is now on my photo. One more letter to work magic on.
It's one more.
This is the letter C. Can you make this letter?
It's a